Okay, now we're going to give a little demonstration on the model HFBV-9204A. This is a vertical forming unit that also uses liquid, uses water-soluble oil. It is completely self-contained with all its hydraulic system and also electronics. A PLC directs all the electronic controls and operations and sequence of the machine. Here we're looking at the solenoid valves. Here we're taking a look at one end of the die assemblies. These dies are separated by mechanical spacers that are inserted with a hydraulic cylinder. Here's the control center. It has all your switches to control every sequence and make every setup. This gauge here will read the system pressure used for forming. Now we're looking at the front of the machine here, and the dies are to the left and to the right. And here again we're looking at the dies. There's two cylinders. They're hydraulic cylinders. One in the lower one, you have the upper one. The upper one is for the spacers. The lower one moves the dies in and out to surround the tube. This is the left side of the machine. Now we're looking at the die assembly. Below there, that's the lower seal. And as we come up here to the right hand side there, you'll see these two proximity switches. That's to control the stroke of the forming seal, which is the cylinder up on top. Here we're looking at the end, and we're going to do a run here to show how it works. The stroke of the seal is coming down. Now that can be controlled so that you don't waste as much time coming in and out of the tube. The spacers are removed. The bellows is formed. First stage, dies open up. The upper seal retracts from the tube, and then the dies will retract completely open, and now the part can be removed. Now here we're going to give a little demonstration. Here's a tube, preformed tube. You'll set it inside the machine, inside to the lower seal. Now we'll start the forming cycle. The upper seal will come down into the tube. You can see it right there up in the top. Again, you can control the stroke so that you don't have to have so much time coming to it. Dies surround. What's pressurized. You'll see those two spacing cylinders retract. The forming cylinder forms. After forming, we're going to have the first stage. This is to free the dies from the bellows. Now it opens up completely, and the dies will extend again to give the operator room to pull the tube out. Now he'll go inside and remove the tube. He'll hold it momentarily to make sure all the oil is out of it. Here is the part all complete.